Tamina Belajar.
Guess the animal. Farm animals. Let's dive into the first round. It provides milk. It makes the sound. It likes to eat grass. It's a big farm animal. That's right. It's the cow. Moving on to the next round. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. Its baby is called a chick. It makes the sound. That's right. It's the hen. Let's keep the momentum going with the third round. It provides wool. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It makes the sound. Absolutely. It's the sheep. Are you ready for round 4? Let's do this. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound. Its baby is called a duckling. You got it. It's the duck. Let's keep the game going with the next round. It runs fast. It can be ridden. Its baby is called a foal. It makes the sound. Absolutely. It's the horse. Finally, let's move on to the last round. It's bigger than a chicken. It has huge feathers. Its baby is called a poult. It makes the sound. Awesome! It's the turkey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.